everyone, welcome back to my channel again, that is Let Me Learn Chemistry. So before starting the topic, I just want you all to please subscribe my channel so that you will get more update about my channel and what are the upcoming videos. Okay, so just do it. Okay, let's start with the topic. So last time we have studied about the nomenclatures of the organic compounds. So we have learned some basics, that is the so what was the first step? In first step, we have to see the longest carbon chain. It is the longest carbon chain. After seeing the longest carbon chain, what we have to do? We have to give them the numbering. So there may be branches of carbons also. So if there are branches, so we have to give the numbering to the branches lowest number. So we have to number the longest carbon chain like that, and then we have to write the name of the following compound. This is the basics nomenclature of the organic compound. Now we are going to see the nomenclature of the compounds when there will be more than one substituents are present. For example, this is my carbon, okay, or this. Okay. So last time we have seen the organic compounds where we have seen only one substituent. But if there is more than one substituent, then how we are going to name that compound? That we are going to see today. So this is my compound. Here I will get CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3. Okay, this will be again CH2, CH3, 2, 1, CH3. So this is my compound. So how I have to give the number? So our first step क्या होता है? What is our first step? We have to see the longest carbon chain. So we will start doing the counting. So suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay, this is a 7 number carbon. If let me see the numbering from here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is also correct. And if I will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is also same. Okay. So we will directly take the straight chain carbon. Okay. So I will give the number from here. 1, 2, 3. I will give the numbering from here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I will give the numbering from this side, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is happening here? All the two substituents from this side, this substituent is getting 3 and this substituent is getting 5. From this side also, this substituent is getting 3, this substituent is getting 5. And the substituents are same. Of course, these two substituents are same. They are which group? They are ethyl group. Right? Both the substituents are ethyl, na? 2 carbons. Okay? So what will be the name of this compound will become? So I will take any one. This will be also correct or this will be also correct. So I will take the numbering from this side. So let's name this compound. The name of this compound will become 3, 5 when there will be two substituent, right? More than one substituent, then we can write it as di-tri, remember? So 3, 5 di-ethyl, and what is this longest carbon chain? Heptyl, na? So we will write it, and they are single bonds, so we can name it as heptane. Okay, this is the name of this compound. Okay, now let's take more examples. Let me take more examples. Suppose I am taking this CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH, CH2, CH3, CH3 and CH3. This is my compound. So what is my first step? My first step is to see the longest carbon chain. So which one will be my longest carbon chain? We have to do the counting. Longest carbon chain देखने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? हमें counting करना पड़ेगा. So we'll start doing the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Let's the counting do from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We cannot take this as longest carbon chain. Let's do the counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is my longest carbon chain. Okay. Now we have two substituents here. Which two substituents? These two substituents are same. So these two are my substituents. Which two? What are the name of these substituents? Methyl. क्या नाम है substituents का? Methyl. इन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? जो ब्रांच की तरह लगे रहते हैं. The compounds in the longest chain which are bonded with a branch, they are known as substituents. Substituents. ठीक है? These both are known as substituents. Okay? So now I have to give the numbering to the longest carbon chain so that my substituents get the lesser number. ठीक है? So that these substituents will get the lesser number when I will give the name to the longest carbon chain. So if I will give the number from this side, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what are these substituents getting the number? 4 and 5. Okay. Now let's try to give the number from this side. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. From this side, what are the substituents getting the number? 3 and 4. So between 4 and 5 and 3 and 4, which one is the smallest number? It will be 3 and 4. So we will take the numbering from this side. Why we are taking the numbering from this side? So that our substituent get the lesser number. इधर से हमने नंबरिंग क्यों की? दिस इज आवर राइट हैंड साइड ना. व्हाई वी हैव गिवन द नंबरिंग फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड साइड? ताकि जो हमारा सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है उसे कम नंबर मिल सके. ओके. So the name of the molecule will become, or the compound will become, it will be 3, 4, right? 3, 4, and there are two methyl group attached, so it will be dimethyl heptane. Okay. Now suppose if there will be 3 substituents, so I will put my another substituent from here. I will put my another substituent. ठीक है. And these all the 3 substituents are named as मिथाइल. तीनों सब्स्टिट्यूएंट्स कौन से हैं मेरे? मिथाइल ग्रुप है. These all 3 substituents are methyl group. Methyl. Okay. Now we know that our longest carbon chain is this only. So we have to again give the numbering. So हम लोग नंबरिंग कहाँ से? अभी हमें नंबरिंग उस हिसाब से देना है किस हिसाब से हम लोग नंबरिंग देते हैं. सो दैट आवर सब्स्टिट्यूएंट गेट द लॉन्गेस्ट, आवर सब्स्टिट्यूएंट गेट द लोवेस्ट नंबर, ताकि हमारे सब्स्टिट्यूएंट को लोवेस्ट नंबर मिल सके. So if I will give the numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what are the substituent getting the number? 2, 4, 5. If I will give the number from right hand side, then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. What are the substituent getting the number? 3, 4 and 6. Okay, यहाँ से 2, 4 and 5. But you have to keep one thing in your mind, that 2 substituents are together. They should get the lowest number. So we will consider the number from the right hand side. So what will be the name of the molecule will become 3, 4. Okay, they are together na, they are very close, so we will have to consider that also. So 3, 4 and 6 क्या है 3 methyl groups ना, so it will be trimethyl and heptane. Okay, so this is the naming of the organic compounds when substituents are attached to the same substituents are attached to our longest carbon chain. Okay, but if there will be, if suppose instead of this instead of this methyl group I am attaching the ethyl group. क्या अटैच कर रही हूँ मैं ethyl group and 2 are my methyl group. Number will be again only this side only. Okay, and what will be the name of this molecule become? It will be क्या है 3 ethyl, then 4 6 dimethyl and heptane. Okay, got it? If there is alkane, all the 3 are the same function substituent, then it will be easy for you to write the name. But if instead of methyl I have one will be my ethyl or propyl or I can say butyl, so which the molecule which has the largest carbon, which has जिसके पास ज़्यादा कार्बन है, suppose अगर मेरे पास मिथाइल एंड ब्यूटाइल है, so of course butyl has the more carbon than the methyl, so that carbon will get the lowest number and then our methyl. Okay, so this is how we write the IUPAC, or I can say the nomenclature of the organic compounds when there will be more than one substituent is present. So I hope this topic is clear for you all. If you have any doubt, please put your questions in the comment section and I will clear it out. If you want that I can take the another topic also which you find very difficult, if you want me to take that, I will take that also. So please put your topic whichever you want me to take. Okay, thank you everyone, bye.